St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Why was St. Jude Children's Research Hospital created? St. Jude Children's Research Hospital was created in honor of St. Jude for guiding the success that Danny Thomas gained in his career. Who founded St. Jude Children's Research Hospital? Danny Thomas founded St. Jude Children's Research Hospital on February 4, 1962. Where is it located? St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is located in Memphis, Tennessee, but there are many affiliated hospitals in USA, and one is in Beirut, Lebanon, called the Children's Cancer Center of Lebanon. The mission of St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is to advance cures and means of prevention for pediatric catastrophic diseases through research and treatment. Consistent with the vision of the founder, Danny Thomas says no child is denied treatment based on race, religion, or family's ability to pay. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital provides treatment to children diagnosed with catastrophic diseases regardless of a family's ability to pay. Conditions for which children are currently receiving treatment include both common and rare forms of cancer, blood and infectious diseases, genetic syndromes, and immunodeficiency disorders. Studies carried out on site at St. Jude's and its affiliates search for the causes and cures to diagnose and best care for children in their battles with life-threatening illnesses. For qualified physicians, nurses, and pre-doctoral research fellows, St. Jude Children's Research Hospital offers specialized training in pediatric disciplines with an emphasis on the basic biomedical sciences, hematology, oncology, and childhood cancer nursing. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital also informs the public about advances in research and treatments for catastrophic childhood illnesses through pamphlets, letters, speeches, film presentations, and seminars for professional associations, civic organizations, and other groups. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital gains its funds through ALSAC, American Lebanese Syrian Associated Charities. ALSAC gains funds through fundraising programs such as the FedEx St. Jude Classic, which is a PGA Tour event. Other fundraising programs include the St. Jude Mathathon, direct mailings, radiothons, and television marketing. St. Jude also has a merchandise catalog called the Hope Catalog. The catalog contains everything from shirts to office items and from patient art to wristbands. Corporations such as Target, Domino's Pizza, the Williams-Sonoma family of brands, CVS Pharmacy, Kay Jewelers, Kmart, 7-Eleven, American Airlines, AutoZone, BJ's Wholesale, Brooks Brothers, Busch Gardens, Casual Male XL, Catherine's, Club Libelou, The Coffee Beanery, Diane von Furstenberg, Dollar General, Easy Spirit, GNC, Gymboree, JP Morgan Chase, Marshalls, The Melting Pot, Memphis Grizzlies, Nine West, Sag Harbor, Saks Fifth Avenue, SeaWorld, St. Louis Rams, West Elm, Westfield Shopping Towns, and Yahoo give customers a host of opportunities to support St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. I think that St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is a huge success as it reaches its mission and it has developed protocols for life-threatening diseases. Examples include St. Jude was the first institution to develop a cure for sickle cell disease with a bone marrow transplant and has one of the largest pediatric sickle cell programs in USA. In 1962, the survival rate for acute lymphoblastic leukemia, ALL, the most common form of childhood cancer, was 4%. Today, the survival rate for this once deadly disease is 94% thanks to research and treatment protocols developed at St. Jude Children's Research Hospital.